In 1846, 87 pioneers set out for California, dreaming of a better life. They would become America's most horrifying survival story. The Donner Party took what they thought was a shortcut through the Sierra Nevada mountains. Instead, they walked into a death trap. Winter hit early, the worst on record. They were completely cut off, starving in the freezing wilderness. First, they ate their animals, then leather, then bark. When people started dying, the unthinkable became survival. They began with the already dead, but hunger has no morals. Louis Keseberg didn't just eat human flesh to survive. He developed a taste for it. He preferred it to other food. Families faced impossible choices. Watch their children starve, or cross a line that could never be uncrossed. Some resorted to murder for meat. Mothers fed their own children to each other without telling them what it was. Only 48 people walked out of those mountains alive. The Donner Party proved that civilization is just 3 meals away from savagery.